In today's video, we have the Revolution case from Poetic for the OnePlus Nord 3 N30. Catch a beer. All right, typical Poetic packaging right here. You get a bunch of P's kind of put together, making this nice looking pattern. Poetic P right there. Poetic right smack down in the middle. Poetic. Very, very simplistic, but nice packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, this is the Revolution case for the OnePlus Nord N30. I think I said OnePlus N3 N30. So one thing about Poetic that I like is that they give you, these are two-piece cases here. Let's go ahead and take one out. And the one they provide, very nice first off the bat, very protective case. They have built-in screen protectors, but for those that do not want to utilize that built-in screen protector, they give you the tray without the built-in screen protector, which is phenomenal. I absolutely like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use the one without the screen protector. Let's go ahead and put that aside. So in order to peel these back, you do have a cutout there on the corner. You just kind of get in there, peel the case back, and you separate the top portion from the portion in the back. Boom, voila, look at that. We'll put that aside and we'll get this. Let's grab the Nord N30 here, place it in the top portion of the case, and then we'll grab the rear portion. And inside the case right here, it does says Revolution drop military grade standard, and you have some anti-drop protection technology inside there. But what you want to do is kind of angle this down and kind of just work it around like that, and voila, look at that. Very simple and simplistic installation. Actually, it's a nice case right here. Very, very nice case. Let's go ahead and work that around. Super protective case from Poetic. It does have a kick stand there, so you can lay your phone like that. Landscape, portrait, either way it's going to work, which I absolutely love. You do got plenty of protection there on the back, protecting those huge camera lenses there, so you're protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. And you're also going to be protected because you do have plenty of lip protection there around the front cover display, so you're also protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. No issues there. I like the pattern on the back, Poetic branding right there on the bottom. Speaking about the bottom, we do have cover ports here. You do have a cover port for your headphone jack and your power charging port, and then the mic and speaker cutouts are there. All the cutouts and everything are nice and precise. They look absolutely fantastic. Not 100% covered buttons. This is not covered because I believe this is your fingerprint reader as well. So yep, so you have a built-in fingerprint reader in the power button, but that cutout, look at that cutout though, is nicely, your thumb just nicely fits in there. Boom. One thing I like about this cutout there is you're not trying to guess where the power button is. If you want to unlock it, like say your phone is in your pocket, you know how you kind of just reach in like that, you can slightly smoothly find the power button, so by the time you bring your phone out, it's already unlocked. You're just ready to rock and roll. But it works fine. There's no issues with the power button and the cutout there. Your thumb nicely fits in that cutout with no issues. Now the volume rocker is covered in 100% covered buttons, and the buttons are nice and tactile, very responsive. I like the way that feels and how you can hear the clickiness and satisfaction of pressing those buttons. But besides that, everything else looks good. This does not have wireless charging, so it's not going to wirelessly charge through the case, but this is a very nice, good looking, very protective case for your OnePlus Nord N30. Built-in kickstand, and it does not add too much bulk. Look at that. Actually feels very nice in hand. The thickness of the case is just perfect. For some reason, the Revolution cases are usually the thicker ones. I don't know what they did with this one this time around, but it keeps a very nice slim profile, which I absolutely love. So there you have it, guys. If you want to go ahead and pick this up for yourself, make sure you hit up the link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.